Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and today I'm doing an eyeshadow look more like a orange cranberry. So that's what I'm going for. So just kind of orange on my lid with some cranberry on the outside. I think that's how it's going to turn out. What I did was I'm just bringing out these two ColourPop palettes. I'm going to use Bird of Paradise, which looks like this. And then I'm going to be using Whatever, and this palette looks like this. So we will see how this look turns out, but I'm going for like an orange cranberry look. So let's go ahead and get into this look. Okay, I'm going to first go into Whatever and dip into this color. It's called Pass It On, and put this into my crease. Okay, and now I'm going to start working on the outer edge where the cranberry is going to be, or I don't know if this color is going to be cranberry, but it's called Bad Guy. So I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to just tap that in the corner here. I don't think this is exactly the color I'm looking for. I wanted something to be a little bit brighter, but I think this might work. So I'm just putting it on the outer edge and then I'm blending this into my crease towards over the orange, or what color was this? Over Pass It On, but not all the way. Okay, so let's Pass It On back so we don't lose that on the inner crease, like that. Okay, now we're gonna go into the Bird of Paradise palette, and we are going to I'm gonna go into this color. It's called a Wing It. And that's what I want to have on my lid. Okay. I'm just going to take it to right there. Okay, that's a really pretty color. And before I go back into the Whatever palette, I'm going to go into Golden Egg and just put that on the outer edge here of Wing It, like that. Okay, and then I'll go back into Bad Guy to deepen this part up. Okay, like that. Now I'm going to go ahead, do my eyeliner, do my mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, I am back. I have my eyeliner on. I put some lashes on. I put mascara. So the eyeliner And the mascara, same as always. I used on my eyeliner, I used a Glam Light calligraphy pen, and then for the mascara I use Essence. I already put in my waterline this ColourPop Puppy. It's an orange color. So now I'm just going to do my bottom lash line, and I'm just going to use the colors that I used in my crease. So Pass It On and Bad Guy. Pass It On I'm going to put all across my bottom, my lower lash line here, but the Bad Guy I'm just going to put at the outer edge, only halfway. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so and just in case you didn't see the last video where I put lashes on, these are the lashes that I use. I don't know where I got these. It could have been Amazon or eBay. I've had them for a while, just haven't used them. So that's what I use. I actually really like these, and I'm doing good so far with the Duo Glue. It's not making my eyes water. Sometimes my eyes will start watering and I have to stop wearing lashes for a while, but I'm gonna go ahead, get some mascara, put them on my bottom lash line. Okay, and I'm gonna use the Mega Slim Skinny Mascara by Wet n Wild. And that's because this applicator is like really small. Okay, one last thing to complete my cranberry orange look, or my orange cranberry look, because it's the orange and then the cranberry, is lipstick. So let me choose my lip color. I think I want to go a little bit dark today, so be right back. Okay, so I'm going to use this Jordana lip liner in the color Cocoa, and then over top I'm going to use the Glam Light S'mores color. So okay, this color feels a little bit sticky. It does have lipstick on my teeth. It does have, like, I think it's supposed to have like a chocolate smell. It has like a little bit of a smell. And it reminds me of like this chocolate lip gloss I used to have a long time ago. So I think they were going for chocolate with this, but this is my look. Still with the holiday theme. So it's an orange cranberry look. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Before you go, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe.
Merry Christmas!